Welcome to know about ClickFunnels Business in Box 2020. What Prcisely is ClickFunnels Business in a Box? As I mentioned prior to, ClickFunnels Business in a Box is the greatest sales funnels and advertising funnels application that exists available. What will make ClickFunnels specific is the reality that gives you every minor issue you will need to sector, offer, and supply your items online. An ordinary funnel will nearly use and choose in web page and email autoresponder like ClickFunnels Business in a Box. Along with an additional product sales web page with a few content and an buy bump. Perhaps adhered to by extra materials, a subscription website, etc. Prior to deciding to would want to employ distinctive platforms and alternatives to perform a similar result. Software and establish a website, employ a web hosting assistance, have an autoresponder support, locate a membership website, program application, uncover A/B breakup tests application, and much more. But ClickFunnels handles all these different things all in a single in its software program. Click the link below in this video for more updates. Not simply you might be preserving a ton of money by not having to invest in all of the required services to start out your online company. However, you steer clear of expending some time, power and anxiety that requires location everything up. In lieu of that, you target what's definitely important in your small business, you're promoting. ClickFunnels Business in a Box comes along with a complimentary 14-day trial, so you're able to try out the application and see how impressive it is actually to you business enterprise. Thanks for watching this video.